Hey YouTubers. So I've been doing a little bit of riding now. I got my brakes all straightened out, and the other thing I made some adjustments to. I don't know if anybody else is having this problem, but I get crazy vibration in these handlebars. I mean, my whole hand was going numb. I mean, I could take a 2-pound sledgehammer, smash my fingers after getting off of this thing. Couldn't feel it at all. And it wasn't like a nerve pinching numb, sometimes you get a little crazy white knuckling on the bike, but it wasn't that. It was literally seeing objects in the mirror, really difficult. Everything was vibrating around. But anyway, I figured out a way. Well, I didn't figure it out. I saw it on tube, and this is what I did. Went and bought some lead scuba diving weight, and this stuff worked perfectly. I was looking for shotgun, like bird shot. Couldn't really, that stuff was really expensive. This was pretty cheap. I forget, it was a couple bucks on Amazon for a 3-pound bag, which, by the way, I could weigh what's left of it, but I did not use maybe even half of this bag. I could actually share with you guys. It maybe took about maybe a pound to do these, because I have wiring going through at my switches here through my handlebars. So what I did is I had these silicone plugs from doing powder coating, and I cut one of these up. This is actually a big one, but I actually cut one up and I got it inside the handlebar, just ahead of my wiring inside my bars. That way there, my shot's not vibrating against all my wiring going through my bars, and that worked perfect. Took my, man, that was horrendous, whatever that was. Whew. That's a splatter and a half. Anyway, so I got about 5.5 inches, 6 inches of shot filled in there. And don't stuff the handlebars so tight with that stuff that there's no, you want that stuff to have a little play in there, so when it's shaking around, it's actually canceling out the vibration. And this, I'd have to say that solved 80%, maybe better. It's almost enjoyable to ride now without these things making my hands numb. It's killed that Buzzkill way down. It's definitely worth going out, getting yourself a bag of scuba dive shot. You can actually just search this if you get a free, take a picture of that and search on Amazon. And this worked great. It was probably the best improvement I've done to the bike ever since I've owned it. But hopefully that works out for you guys. Keep the shiny side up. Have a good one.